Unlock the full power of community with Discord Nitro. And here's how you can snag it using your Apple gift card. First, let's get your Apple gift card ready. You can buy these at most major retailers. Now, open up the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. We need to redeem your gift card balance. Tap on your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Look for the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code and tap on it. Here, you can either scan the back of your Apple gift card with your camera or manually enter the code. Once entered, confirm the redemption. You'll see your Apple ID balance updated with the value of your gift card. Now that your balance is loaded, it's time to head to Discord. Open your Discord app. If you don't have it already, download it from the App Store. Navigate to your user settings. You'll usually find this by tapping your profile picture or a small gear icon. Within settings, find the Discord Nitro or Upgrade Now button and tap it to view the subscription plans. Select the Nitro plan you want. When you reach the payment screen, choose the option to pay with your Apple ID. Since we redeemed your gift card earlier, your balance will be used automatically. Confirm the purchase, and just like that, you'll have Discord Nitro activated using nothing but your Apple gift card.